Hello everyone, I am Sudhanshu
And I'm Yashasvi,
and we welcome you all to the 17th edition of Annual Productions.
popularly known as ANPROD.
Started in year 1998 as a part of the theatre festival, ANPROD is a stage which has witnessed some legendary plays like Love in December, Nali Kutte, etc.
Organized as an exclusive event now, this year ANPROD is a 2-day event comprising of many diversified plays.
Every play, in its own unique way, explores a different territory and promises to entertain the audience.
These plays are originally written, composed and directed by some of the best talents of the institute.
Going a few steps ahead, this year we have invited well-known personalities Mr. Akhilendra Mishra and Mr. Parikshit Sahani to share their experiences with us. Mr. Vijay Raj was supposed to come today, but he won't be able to come because of some personal reasons, and we apologize for that.
Okay. So, not stretching further, let's begin the show with the first performance of ANPROD. It's a street play called as Bijli, highlighting the importance of conserving electricity and increase the usage of solar power. So here it's Bijli.
So basically, this street play has been inspired by Team Shunya, which is a team of students from IIT Bombay and Rachna Sansad Academy of Architecture participating in a competition called as Solar Decathlon. So yeah, we invite the team on stage.
अरे बहुत हुई है गंदी बातें, अब थोड़ी काम की बातें भी कर ले।
हाँ कर लो।
तो मेहमान कदरदान भाईजान दूबदार, सॉरी मेरी जान, IIT बॉम्बे पेश करते हैं एक नुक्कड़ नाटक जो आप सभी को, आप सभी को अपनी जिंदगी से जुड़ा हुआ महसूस होगा। तो पेश करते हैं बिजली।
अरे भाई बिजली आखिर क्या है ये बिजली?
क्लास, तुमको नहीं पता बिजली क्या है?
सर नहीं पता सर।
चलो, बिजली अंग्रेजी में बोले तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी is a form of energy that arises due to charged particles such as protons and electrons either as an accumulation।
अरे बस भैया, तनिक सीधे सरल भाषा में समझाइए।
रहोगे तो बारी ना।
अरे तो समझाइए ना।
रहोगे ना तुम तो सुनो सीधे सरल भाषा में। बिजली हमारे हर छोटे मोटे काम में यूज होने वाली चीज है। टीवी चलाने में, फ्रिज चलाने में, AC चलाने में, यहाँ तक कि मोबाइल को चार्ज करने में भी बिजली का ही उपयोग होता है।
अरे भाई साहब, ये सब तो हम जानते हैं, पर आप कहना क्या चाहते हैं?
कहना मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि क्या कभी आप लोगों ने सोचा है कि अगर हमारी जिंदगी में बिजली ही ना हो तो क्या होगा?
क्या होगा?
आइए हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। लोगों तुम्हें दिखाएं झांकी ऐसे दाम की, इन बातों को नोट करो तुम, ये बातें हैं काम की। अरे कौन सी बोल, देखो ये है काम की बात, प्रेमी से ना हो बर्दाश्त, पहुंचा अपने दिल के पास कहने अपने दिल की बात, और फिर
जानू मैं आ गया।
पटना ए हसीन लो मैं आ गया।
ऊपर आ जाओ ना।
अभी आता हूँ।
ठहरा।
ओह शिट, लिफ्ट बंद हो गई।
बंद है, कैसे मैं आऊं, दिल रजामंद है, दिल रजामंद है, दिल रजामंद है।
ये तो हो गई प्यार की बात, लेकिन सोचिए कि कुछ ऐसा हो जाए कि इस लिफ्ट में आपके पिता हो और उन्हें हार्ट अटैक आ जाए,
कि आपकी पत्नी की डिलीवरी होनी हो तो,
या फिर कोई आपका अपना बहुत बुरी तरह घायल हो जाए तो,
और ये सब टाइम पर हॉस्पिटल ना पहुंचे क्यों? क्योंकि आपने बीवी बचाने की नहीं सोची।
क्यों सोचूं? मेरे पास पैसा है, मैं खरीद सकता हूँ। लेकिन अगर ऐसा हो जाए कि सप्लाई ना हो तो बिजली की जगह क्या मिलेगा?
बाबा जी का ठुल्लू।
क्या आप जानते हैं एक कंप्यूटर जो 24 घंटे चलता है, एक एनर्जी एफिशिएंट रेफ्रिजरेटर से ज्यादा बिजली खाता है?
क्या आप जानते हैं कंप्यूटर को स्लीप मोड में डालने से 40% बिजली बचाई जा सकती है?
क्या आपको पता है 50% डोमेस्टिक एनर्जी हीटिंग और कूलिंग में यूज होती है?
क्या आपको पता है लिफ्ट में होने वाली यूज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से गांव के 500 घरों में बिजली उपलब्ध कराई जा सकती है?
क्या आपको पता है अगर आप एसी 26 डिग्री के साथ फैन चलाएं तो आप ऑप्टिमम कूलिंग के साथ 50% बिजली बचा सकते हैं?
क्या आपको पता है एक नॉर्मल बल्ब CFL से 85% ज्यादा पावर कंज्यूम करता है?
अरे भाई पता तो हमको बहुत कुछ है, जितना इन सब लोगों ने कहा सब कुछ, पर इसमें घाटा किसका हो रहा है? हमें तो बिजली मिल रही है ना।
घाटा हो रहा है गांव के उस बच्चे का जिसके गांव में बिजली नहीं है, जिसका भविष्य अंधकार में है। वो देखिए, मेरे सपनों की बिजली कब आएगी तू, आई रात पढ़ाई कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए ये जवानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया, इतिहास की गलियां हिंद की कलियां सारी किताबें पूछ रही है लाइट इन पे कब गिराएगी तू। ये बिजली आएगी और वो बिजली की चोरी को रोकने से। मेरे उम्र के नौजवानों, बिजली चुराना ना दीवानों, मैंने बिजली चुरा के चैन खोया नींद खोई। अरे झूठ तो कहते नहीं है, कहते नहीं है लोग कोई, अरे चोरी से पकड़ नहीं है, पकड़ नहीं है लोग कोई। तो आओ सब मिलके ना, शांति हो, शांति शांति हो,
चलो चोरी तो रोक ली, लेकिन इस सब से हल क्या होगा?
हाँ हाँ आपकी बात बिल्कुल सही है, तो आइए दिखाते हैं इसका हल।
जब पल गुजरता जाए बिल दिन दिन बढ़ता जाए, तो आजा प्यारे पास हमारे, काहे घबराए, काहे घबराए। लैंप पे आए सोलर, ना लाइट लगे ना इन्वर्टर, जिसके घर में मेरे पावर चमके किस्मत उसकी। सुन 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 अरे बाबा सुन, इस पावर में बड़े बड़े गुण, लाख दुखों की एक दवा है, क्यों ना अपनाए, क्यों ना अपनाए। सोलर एनर्जी, भविष्य की एनर्जी। क्या आपको पता है कि केवल सूरज की किरणों से आप अपना खाना पका सकते हो? क्या आप जानते हैं सोलर पैनल से आप अपनी खुद की बिजली बना सकते हैं?
सोलर वाटर हीटर के जरिए आप पानी गर्म कर सकते हैं। लेकिन बात यहीं पर खत्म नहीं होती। अभी एक और बात बाकी रह गई है और वो है पेट्रोल और डीजल की बढ़ती खपत और कम होते स्रोत। हम फिर मिलेंगे कहीं किसी मोड़ पे। तब तक के लिए हम कहना चाहते हैं,
इतिहास में लड़ाइयां पहले भी हुई है, कभी आन के नाम, कभी शान के नाम, कभी सत्ता के लिए, कभी बाजार के लिए।
करोड़ों लोगों को हिंदुओं ने जीता है, तेज में होने वाला विश्व युद्ध अगला है। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना। अब जो भी हो बिजली को है बचाना, अब जो भी हो सोलर पावर को है अपनाना। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
Hi, I'm Rahul, and he's Vikas.
Myself Vikas.
Please. So I'll introduce one by one. So he is Nitin, Aishwarya, Shubham, Umang, Kanchan,
Anmol, Paritosh,
Vikas, Mayur,
Raj, Sambhav, Rituj, Aditya Junjunwala, Naren, Arnab.
So he's here for as everybody was waiting for him. He's here. So it's a pleasure for me to announce that our esteemed guest has arrived, Mr. Akhilesh Mishra. Welcome to IIT Bombay, sir. It's been a pleasure to have you here.
Mr. Akhilesh Mishra is a very famous film and television actor. Some of his memorable performances in Bollywood have been Mirchi Seth in Sarfarosh, Arjun in Lagan, and the legend of Bhagat Singh, and of course, how can we forget the crude Singh Yakku from Chandrakanta, who scared us in our childhood. So,
Yeah, he has been a part of Indian cinema since 1993 and has acted in more than 50 plus movies. Gangajal, Mumbai se aaya mera dost, Halchal, Veer Zara, to name a few.
please give a huge round of applause for our
Okay, so we think it's time to have a coffee. But there's something different about this coffee. Here, it starts with a K. K for Kite Wala K.
So yeah, as you might have guessed, we are indeed talking about the Coffee with Karan, the super hit show, Indian show, who is India's answer to opera.
Presenting before you an English production, Coffee with Karan. It starts with a K, Coffee.
Yeah, so I would like to start with a disclaimer. All the characters, all the situations in this play are completely fictitious, and any resemblance to any real personality, situation, etc., show, whatever, is not unintentional, but still, it's like you can take it as a ittefaq, and frankly, we don't give a. Yeah, you are no rest. Yeah.
People still today think that all entertainment to do with movies, drama, is therefore nothing more than their entertainment. It never ever was that case.
Of course, television can't perform such miracles as this, yet. But perhaps there's no harm wishing that it could.
I'm back, bringing you stories you've never heard. The juicy bits on the boys and girls. I'm back with the hottest stars, the coolest kids, the mama, papa, they're the things they did. I'm back. I'm back for you.
Hi, and welcome to Coffee with
Karan.
Welcome to the season finale of Coffee with Karan. Man, what a ride it's been. But it's been a thrill. Our host, of course, needs no introduction. But for those of you who don't quite know him yet, you see, he is the teacher to the students of the year. Well, he is a teacher to us as well. How? You may ask. How? तो कुछ कुछ होता है. He taught you to love your friends. और होना हो to love your neighbors. क्योंकि खुशी का become to love your parents. अभी अभिलाष ना कहना. He taught you to love someone else's wife. For finally, coming to point in Dostana. Today though, we are up for a treat. So sit back and relax. Oh, and a little secret. They can't hear what I say.
So, how are you guys? Yeah, I bet you are excited because this is the season finale of Coffee with Karan. So, now, this season has been all about the case. Coffee, current, couples and controversy, starting with a K. So, now this episode will have all of these and a lot more, I promise. Now, it's time to call our first guest. Our first guest is extremely distinguished in his own right. He's the winner of the ICC World T20 and also the ICC World Cup. Against his wife's advice, he refuses to drop the towel. He's best described by the 3 words: honesty, respect, and integrity. Please welcome Srikanth! But Sri, where's your Indian team t-shirt? They took that away from me! That's a little sense. So, Sri, let's start off by clearing the air about certain things. Have you decided to drop the towel?
All I want to say is that I'm innocent. I was scammed by my own brother-in-law. I had no idea what is about to unfold. And to answer your question, yes, I have decided to drop the towel.
Oh, you naughty boy!
Don't touch the big no! Wait, Preeti को बुलाओ.
That is a slap.
I don't know what has messed this guy up, but whatever it is, it's working well.
I think it's the right time to call our next guest out here. Well, our next guest needs little introduction. Dynamic, dashing, and intelligent. Well, some say that he's the future of our country, while others question whether he's from our country. From the family that passes India off as its inheritance, please welcome Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Mr. Rahul. Mr. Gandhi. Yeah, hi. Namaste. Have a seat. So Rahul, how does it feel to be on Coffee with Karan?
It feels good. It feels really good. I feel that all feelings are born in the rose. And the rose that blooms gives scent to its beholder, who is but a man with a nose. It is an honor for me to be here today, and I would like to begin by telling you that I love poor people.
Well, poor people. So do we all, Rahul. So do we all, isn't it? Yeah. So humble of course. So, I think it's the right time to call our next guest out here. Well, I'm sure you're very excited. Yeah. Our next guest is one of the most rising stars in the Bollywood fraternity. She's one of the most intelligent and independent women on celluloid. The slim, slender and sexy. Please welcome Miss Alia Bhatt. You lost some weight, huh? Well, yes, I do. Come have a seat. Hey, make some food. So, comfortable?
A little.
Yeah. So, Alia, how does it feel?
What?
To be on the show?
What about it, Karan?
Oh, yeah, she's fantastic, isn't she? Alia, how does it feel to be on the show?
What?
How does it feel to be on the show? Just praise him for God's sakes.
You're a little controversial devil, aren't you? I must admit, Alia, we are seeing a lot more of you on this show today.
Yeah, about 100 kgs or more.
So, for the first time in the history of Coffee with Karan, we have three extremely distinguished personalities. Yeah. For the first time in the history of Coffee with Karan, we have three extremely distinguished personalities belonging to completely different professions.
Different professions. These guys, they're all actors. Act on the political field, act on the cricket field. She acts like she's an actor.
Yeah. Rahul! Yeah. Rahul, let us start off by putting you on the hot seat. Yeah. So lately you have been embroiled in such a lot of controversy. Give us your take on that.
Everything that has to be learned has been learned by the learner from the one who learns. I have learned everything from my dadi.
Oh, that's really touching, learning from the dadi.
Yeah, he learned to screw around with the country with his dadi. That's really touching, isn't it?
So, moving on. Srisant, there's a lot of conjecture surrounding you. Yeah? So, the next question is, what should I ask?
Look, you got to padle.
Hey, something's wrong in here. It's not written. What should I ask? Hey!
Prompt karu kya?
Hurry! Okay, Srisant. Yeah, this is your first appearance on a TV show, isn't it? Yeah. I bet you must have some exciting news.
I believe everything happens for a reason. I want to tell all my fans out there, all of them. I will be back in 6 months.
Oh, so we have the scoop right here on Coffee with Karan. That's so exciting. Srisant is making a comeback to cricket.
No. I'm going to the Big Boss house. As we speak, my script is being written.
So that's also exciting. But what about cricket? I mean, you bowl badly for money?
If you're good at something, never do it for free.
You know, that's really smart.
And original.
Yeah, but so what's the road ahead?
You know, Big Boss house, dance show, movie. Might get into politics if I need the cash.
Wow, you've already planned your future, huh?
Planning the future. Family planning is the most important problem faced by our country. To face this devil, we at the Indian National Congress have gone to the hungriest, the poorest parts of the country and provided the people with the best quality condoms.
No, but Rahul, you just said that these people are hungry and poor. So why don't you, why don't you start by giving off something, say like food?
Hunger? Is that the issue? Well, in that case, from now, we will be giving them flavored condoms.
You know what, Einstein? Go back in time and give them to your father when you were conceived. I'm pretty sure this guy was born on a highway. Why? Because that's where all the accidents happened.
So yeah, moving on, Alia, how is your relationship with Varun?
We went to dinner. Oh no, I mean we are just friends.
I mean, how can you lie? He's your boyfriend, isn't he?
No, Karan.
Yes, he is.
No, Karan.
Yes, he
You
is.
know what? This has to be the most painful moment of my life. Just look at them.
Okay, if he isn't your boyfriend, then tell me about Siddharth.
No!
You're such a needla, Karan. I and Siddharth are just friends.
No, he isn't. He's your boyfriend.
You know what?
Yes, he is.
I was mistaken. This is the most painful moment of my life.
Yeah, hey, what's wrong with these, yaar? What am I supposed to say? Yeah, cut that part. So, Srisan, I bet everyone's curious. How's life at home after the fixing scandal? Conjecture. Celluloid.
I've just been helping out my mother. If there's any problem, I can fix it.
So, helping out the mother. Rahul! Helping out the mother. I bet you know something about that.
यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरता हूं मैं माँ। तुझे सब है पता, है ना माँ? तुझे सब है पता, है ना माँ?
Yes, you are dyslexic, but that does not mean you go out playing Bum Bum Bole with India.
I would like to confess, this guy just broke me down. Rahul, so moving on, like a little birdie told me that you have been going to the heart of India to comprehend the plight of the farmers. I mean, you are just finding out the problems plaguing this country. Why don't you tell us and the viewers something about that?
Yes, I've been working hard to understand them. I've been working hard to understand the problems that our farmers face. For the past few days, I haven't eaten, I haven't slept, non-stop, I've been playing Farmville.
I'm sorry, Karan, but who is this guy? What's his name?
What is in a name, said Shakespeare. Have you read Shakespeare?
Who wrote it?
Calling a rose a lotus will not change its name. Calling the poor poor will not make them rich. The poor, we have to work for the upliftment of the poor. And the homeless, and the physically challenged, and the mentally challenged. Speaking of mentally challenged, it's Gandhi.
Gandhi? That's it? That's the whole name?
It's the only part that matters.
Alia, I mean, come on. You surely must have heard his name. Just yesterday, Times of India did a whole page on him.
I don't read Times of India. I read Bombay Times. Oh shit! I'm so sorry. How could I be so stupid? Of course I know you. You gave us freedom, didn't you? But aren't you supposed to be bald? Never mind. Your performance in Munna Bhai, that Lagera wala. I loved it.
Arey, Alia, that's Mahatma Gandhi.
Which Gandhi is he then?
He's the Italian one.
But where is Mahatma? So where's Mahatma from?
He's from Porbandar.
Oh, now where is that?
That's in Gujarat, my dear.
Is that in Pakistan?
Gujarat and Pakistan. I think we are onto a controversy here on Coffee with Karan. Spelled with a K. Yeah, so does that mean you're calling Narendra Modi a Pakistani?
He's a Pakistani? We must not let foreign citizens contest elections. They know nothing about our country, about Italy.
It's India!
Italy!
It's India! It's India, not Italy!
It's Italy!
It's India!
Stop it, you guys. Both the names starts from an I.
No, Alia. On this show, everything starts with a K.
Honestly, the show seems less about K and more about a gay.
Talk to me! Okay. I believe Srisant, you have been very quiet for a long time now.
Yeah.
So, let me finger you. I mean, you were a talented bowler. How did it all go wrong?
Puram, I'm innocent. Actually, what happened was that this bookie called me up and asked, Shri, what's your plan for today? I said, I'll get smashed for more than 10 runs and over. The usual. Said, okay, I'll give you 50 lakhs for that. I said, okay, give it.
So, you weren't bowling badly on purpose?
The Delhi police wouldn't believe me when I said that. They said no one could bowl so badly.
No, you know what? Kind of agree with him there. If he was put in jail for underperforming, shouldn't all these guys be in jail for the same reason?
You know what, Sri? I see a brilliant movie in you.
Really? The tragic ending types. I thought everyone thought me to be a loser. A loser!
I didn't know. Your life in reverse. You're a small boy in a small village fighting poverty. But you have high hopes and aspirations. So, you work hard fighting poverty. And because of your dedication, you get selected into the Indian national team. And the team wins many glories with you in the team. But then, Satan strikes, all hell breaks loose, cigarettes, drugs, alcohol, and then you even get caught for fixing. Mother, father, Sharma uncle, everyone starts disowning you. And then out of nowhere, a teammate slaps you. The true path dawns upon you. You change for good. You have the goal in mind. You try to make a comeback into cricket. You do sit-ups, you do crunches, you get a six-pack. And because of the six-pack, you get selected into the Indian national team. And then, with you in the team, because of the six-pack, India finally wins the ICC World Cup! How's that, darling?
It's lovely. But does that mean I get another movie? Hello, Varun. Yeah, I'm on TV with Karan. We got another movie.
Recently on my...
I'm on the phone.
Hey, it's my show.
Karan.
Recently on my show, Salman Khan, he claimed that he was a virgin. Anyways, Rahul, Salman said that he was a virgin. What about you? What's your take on that? Are you a virgin?
Yes.
But why?
Because he hasn't had sex, you idiot.
Because I firmly believe in the symbol of my party.
You and I are so alike. I totally get you. Anyways, you know, a little birdie told me that you had a girlfriend and he even proposed to him with a rose.
I did. But he rejected me.
But why?
Turns out, he liked a lotus better.
Well, that seems to be trending. Lotuses over everything. Yeah. Alia, coming back to you. We are talking about relationships. I bet you know something about that.
Don't ask.
Who's your boyfriend?
Don't ask.
No, Karan.
Yes, you are boyfriend.
I'm a single. I'm single.
You know what? I kind of wish our parents had never met. They made a big mistake.
You know, Karan, रात बाकी है.
Well, indeed, Raat Baki hai, my dear. So, Sri-san, tell us something about your relationship status.
I was in a relationship. But my partner left me.
Why?
She said I was too sentimental. She said I cry too much. Do I cry too much? Do I?
Don't worry, darling, I'm here for you. So, Rahul. Yeah, so because Sri has broken down, I obviously have to shift my attention to the next man in the room. Recently, you guys had a lot of bad publicity. What about that?
A rising tide raises all boats. We need a boat to rise with the tide. What does he who does not have a boat do? It is not enough to rise with the tide. We have to give them a boat. We have to give them a boat.
Yeah, so does that mean you are like a rising tide or a boat?
Youth. I am youth. Youth is what I am.
This guy really needs to stop calling himself the youth. He's the oldest person in the room. You got clothes older than them, man.
No, but the youth is only doing that bad publicity, Rahul. See, I have it right here on my tablet. I mean, in the smartphone.
Rahul is a spastic. Rahul is an idiot. Rahul. I found the good stuff. Rahul is not bad. He's actually good.
Read on, darling.
He's actually good for nothing. Hey, but there's some funny stuff on him as well. Like, look at this meme. It's got a giant picture of you with the caption, India's Got Talent. How funny is that?
That was an advertisement, my dear. Anyways, I think it's the right time to call a break. So, in conversation with the witty Rahul, the ever-patient Sri-san, and the slim Alia Bhatt. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.
Wake up.
Yeah, so do you guys need any coffee? I mean the real one, not the ones we keep here in the cups.
I need some hot towels.
राहुल गांधी अरे पहचाने हम अरे हम हाँ बड़े लोग हैं ना हम आम आदमी है भाई हमें कैसे पहचाने को भैया आज हमने टोपी भी तो नहीं पहनी ना मिलते हैं तुमसे आपसे संसद में
Yeah, cleaning guy, go. Yeah, everyone's ready? We need to roll fast. Alia, the makeup's done? Yeah.
What are you looking at? Hey, what are you doing there? Sit, no. We need to roll.
Rolling in 3, 2, 1, action.
In conversation with Rahul Gandhi, Alia Bhatt and something Srishant. Yeah, so, hey, where's the setup, guys? Hey, producer, where's the setup here? I need to cut that. Where's the setup of here? Where is the setup? Where's the setup?
You know what? These guys not functional.
Where are the setup? Oh. Stupid idiots. You know, I think I should start the production house now.
I think he needs these better. Yeah, you got.
Hey, play the music. No, we are getting bored. Everyone's getting bored. Play the music for God's sake. I'm going to sue this producer, you know. I'm going to literally sue him. He's such a asshole. Hey, you guys act like you're talking, no? Like, we'll put that in the footage of the break. Bloody idiots didn't even come to help me. Oh my cue cards. Okay, start rolling again. Yeah. Where is the sound?
What are you
How
doing?
will I know when I have to talk?
Let's do this, Karan. I'm getting late, yeah.
Why? Are you dating Gordon?
Stop it, Karan.
Okay, anyways, yeah. So, I'll add the music later. In conversation with Alia Bhatt, Rahul Gandhi and something Srishant. So, are you guys ready? We have this next segment called the Mumble Jumble, where we'll be giving you words and you have to unscramble them. Simple? Yeah. We'll be giving you 4 words each and you have to get a total of 6 correct. What? 6 correct. Yeah, it's my favorite number. Yeah. You have to get a total of 6 correct in order to win an extravagant hamper. As I told you, our producers suck. Oh, cut that out.
Karan, wait, yeah, wait. How many do I have to get correct?
Madam, you have to get 6 out of 4.
But isn't that too much? I think I'll get 5 out of 4 maybe.
How many do I have to lose? See, we'll have a total of 6. I'll get 4, she'll get 3, you lose how many ever you want to. We will have 6 and we will form the government.
Yeah, so you all got the game right? Yeah, so we'll start. First up is Srishant. Srishant, are you ready? Me? Yeah. Hey, what are you doing there?
Nothing. This is my brother.
What brother?
Look, he's right there.
Who's there? Hey, what are you doing there?
He's waving at you. He's waving.
No one's waving at me. Hey, I just saw you. Sri, you're sleeping with Tal. You have committed a coffee crime with a double K. Yeah.
No, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Later, darling. Anyways, you will be given a punishment. He is disqualified. Yeah, go hold those. Go hold those. I don't hold them now. You hold. Now, because this cheat Srishant has cheated as always, we'll start with you, Alia. We'll have to tweak the rules a bit. Now we'll be giving you 8 questions and you have to get a total of 5. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So, first up is Alia Bhatt. I promise not to be her father figure in this round because I'm sure that her ability and talent is enough to get her through.
Oh, Karan.
Oh, Alia. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Sri, the first one.
God.
Yeah, you got it. It's gone. So, second one.
Karan, I don't feel good. Can you get me coffee?
Yes, it's coffee. It's coffee. Yeah. Even the production crew is screaming that only. Yeah. So Sri.
Karan, I still need the coffee.
Okay. I'll get it to you. The third one.
Armani, Giorgio and Imperio, my favorite.
Yeah, how can you deny that? She's so talented. Yeah. Now, you're on a streak. 3 on 3. Are you ready for the fourth one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make me proud, okay? The fourth one.
But Karan, can you please see my red nail polish?
Yeah, it's nail polish. It's nail polish only. Yes. My favorite student of the year has made me proud. She has made all 4 correct. So, setting new records, huh, Alia? Rahul, are you there? So, all eyes are on you, literally. Are you ready?
Ready is he who fights against he who is him. He ready.
But so, yeah, so you're ready, right? Yeah, you're getting on my nerves now. 3, don't cheat, huh? No chance. I don't know where they have been. The first one.
The Gandhis trying to unjumble India since 1947.
Diana.
That's wrong. But you can get the next one. 3, the second one.
Congress.
Yes. It was very close.
I don't really blame him here. Even I can't see the difference between the two.
Yeah. So the third one.
You retard. You know, if this guy was twice as smart, he'd still be stupid.
The time's up, yaar. You have to get 1 out of 1.
I win.
Yeah. Build on the good work done by my great Alia, okay? Yeah. 3, the last one.
Physics, it's physics, say it's physics, it's physics, it's physics, it's physics, say it's physics, it's physics, it's
Politics.
That was so close. Well done, Rahul. Well done.
Well done. Well, you know what? I can't take this shit anymore. I'm going in there.
Hey, coffee, what are you
No,
doing?
you shut up. Let me talk now. And you, Rahul, how? How did you not get that one?
Hold on to that thought, my dear. I'm supposed to ask the question.
No, I will handle this. Let me ask you, Mr. Coffee, why do you think that I didn't get it?
I don't know, because you're a retard? Because you were dropped on your head when you were a kid?
Starting with a K!
No, it doesn't start it off. Okay, maybe it does, but that's not the point here.
Hey, that last one was tough, okay?
How was How was it tough? It's right there, physics.
If that is physics, then where's the F?
What's the matter with you? Didn't you study fake physics when you went to your fake Harvard and got your fake degree?
Hey, I know all about physics. I can tell you the escape velocity of Jupiter. Do you know what escape velocity is?
Of
What's velocity? Is it something like speed?
Escape velocity is the acceleration with which you need
Speed
to
is
escape.
not acceleration, you idiot.
Then what is speed?
Speed is a scalar.
Yes, we are secular.
You know what? I'm pretty sure you don't know jack squat of anything. For example, this Srishant here.
Him?
Yeah, obviously him. He's from Kerala. Do you even know where that is?
If it is in Kashmir, we will not let Pakistan have it.
No, you idiot. Kerala is all the way down south.
Sri Lanka.
So I can play for them.
No, Sri, you cannot. And you, Sri Lanka isn't even a part of this country. It's a separate country.
Then what is this foreign national doing on our soil? We must be careful about spies from countries like Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and
Idiot. He's not from Sri Lanka and Assam is a part of this country. Do you know anything about India? Okay. For example, who is the president of India?
Manmohan
I
Singh.
know it, I know. It's Prithviraj Chauhan.
A bunch of retards sitting here. You tell me one thing. If Manmohan Singh is the president, who is the prime minister?
Narendra Modi.
I'm asking the present tense, not the future tense.
Tense? Why will I be tense? You are tense.
Do I look tense?
You know what? Sit down. I don't believe you are not anywhere close to a sport which involves holding a ball.
Ball. I'm head and shoulders above everyone.
Head and shoulders. You, who uses that? I use Garnier.
Garnier. We must garner the support of the masses. We need the support of the mass.
Stop talking about the masses. Do you know anything about the mass?
Mars has an escape velocity of 5 kilometers per second.
Are you always this stupid? Are you putting in an extra effort today?
Extra effort.
What's your problem, yaar? What is your problem?
You Mr. Cricketer. You know what? Why should I pay my money to watch you play when the real game is being played inside dirty alleys and closed rooms?
Hey, Coffee, get out of here. It's my show. So, I think it's time up. Okay, we need to wind up.
Yeah, it's a good time. I have to go to dinner with Varun.
See, the truth came out. She
Truth.
is in a relationship.
Truth
with-
lies in the
I am
hands
innocent.
of the speaker.
Truth is that I am innocent.
Lies.
I am innocent.
Television. Entertainment. To ask you all this question. Is this? I mean, is this what you want to see? Yes. We all see. If yes, then who? If no, then why not? Did they have a breakup? If yes, why? If no, when did that happen? How interesting, right?
We are in fact responsible for this cancer. This cancer that is spreading through movies, through television, and through newspapers. One else see what's happening. Asking the media to discuss the role of media in a media coverage of the media. See, I don't even have a solution, to be honest. I don't even know whether you guys share my thoughts or feelings. Who am I? I'm just another coffee.
The lights go off, the show moves on, and me, well, I'll just be sitting right here. What about you guys?
What is your takeaway? Open your eyes, people. That's all I want to say. Open your eyes.
Coffee, come here. Yeah, sign it, okay? We'll keep it on the gallery. Yeah, the producers will get a new one. I would like to say thanks a lot for that amazing audience, for being an amazing audience. It was really encouraging for us. Yeah, so I would like to introduce the cast to everything. Like, first of all, starting with our mentor, our dearest mentor. Like, he's come on stage, Palas, please. Like,
Like, I don't have any words for him. Please give him a huge round of applause. Yeah. So the name of a play was It Starts With a K. I would like to introduce the cast. He's also the writer for this play. Coffee, Chirag Jha. As Rahul Gandhi, Daniel Desa. As the slim, slender and sexy Alia Bhatt, Ritu Thakkar. As the ever-patient Sri Sant, Rohan Jain. Now we have our makeup artists, but I'm Karan. I'm not supposed to remember their names, right? No, frankly, like the names Shantanu and
Literally as well.
And as Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi, Rahul Meena. And myself, I was the director for this play, along with Chirag, of course, along with Palash, Akash. Yeah, and we were helped a lot for the prod work by many of the people, say like Kavya. Like, okay, so they are called the Pandas gang. Let's just end it at that. Yeah. And of course, lights by Umang Shah. Thank you so much.
So now, after the hilarious performance of It Starts With K, we have a very different genre of Broadway, and we have a play called Kashmakash, a Hindi musical comedy set in the village of Bundelkhand.
The play revolves around a simple villager, Magan, who is in a dilemma of either living up to his family expectations and traditions or leading his life his heart yearns for. This Broadway play is a blend of emotions and comedy. Presenting before you, Kashmakash.
अबे जी हारमोनियम को क्या हो गया बे सुबह सुबह? ए बहू, एक चाय लगाओ तो।
ये है छेदीलाल शर्मा, पेशे से एक खानदानी गवैया और ओहदे से एक बेटे के बाप। इनका सपना है कि इनका इकलौता बेटा इन्हीं की तरह गायक बने। वैसे तो ये बहुत खुशमिजाज इंसान है, पर गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आता है इन्हें।
हाँ बाबूजी, चढ़ा देते हैं।
और ये है छेदी की बहू कमला, एक सुशील गृहिणी की परिभाषा। घर, ससुर और पति को बखूबी संभाल रखा है कमला ने। शायद सास नहीं है ना, इसलिए।
और थोड़ा पत्ती तेज रखना हूँ मैं।
जी।
अरे बहू, एक चाय हमारे लाल भी चढ़ा दो। ये है विमला, इस गांव की मौसी। इनकी मासूम सी शक्ल पर मत जाइए। रामायण की मंत्रा कह लीजिए या मॉडर्न जमाने की वैम्प। गांव में ऐसा कोई घर नहीं बचा जहां इन्होंने दरार डालने की कोशिश ना की हो। पर छेदीलाल के मन की बात करें तो इसमें विमला ही विमला है।
प्रणाम मौसी, प्रणाम। खुश रहो, सदा सुहागन रहो, जीती रहो, फूलो फलो।
अरे सारा आशीर्वाद अपनी बहू को ही दे दे तने हमारे लाल में बचाओगी।
राम भाई जीता, तुम्हारी बात हमें कबहू समझ नहीं आ सका।
अरे बैठो बैठो, बहुत दिन बाद आई, कैसी हालचाल सुनाओ अपने।
मालिक की दुआ से सब सही है जीता।
तो सुबह मगन के हाथों पैसे भिजा रहे, मिले या नहीं?
कौन से पैसे? हमें तो कौनो पैसे नहीं मिले।
मगन नहीं आओ तुम्हारे पास?
नहीं, मगन तो नहीं आओ।
राम भाई बिमला?
राम भाई जीता, हम झूठ क्या बोलेंगे?
ये निकम्मा मक्कार फिर से हमारे पैसे खा गया होगा। अरे बहुत बिगड़ता जा रहा है ये बिमला, हम बता रहे हैं। आने तो इतना मारेंगे ना, हड्डी पसली एक कर देंगे इसकी, हम बता रहे हैं। कमला तुम्हारे पास सफेद साड़ी है ना?
जी।
पहन लो पहन लो। और तुम चाय का पी लिया, जाके उसकी चूड़ियां तोड़ने मदद करो और तुम रोना शुरू कर दो और पूरे गांव में बात फैला दो कि छेदी के घर छटरी बनने वाली है।
राम भाई जीजा, पागल हो गए हो क्या? कैसी बातें कर रहे हो? एक ही तो घोड़ा है।
आज हमें किसी की बात नहीं सुननी है, हम बता रहे हैं, हम इसको सबक। और तुमने रोना काहे नहीं शुरू किया? रोना शुरू करो ना।
आवारा कह लो, पागल कह लो, लफंटर कह लो और रंगीन भी कह लो और मेरी मानो तो हरामी भी कह लो। छेदी का इकलौता बेटा, हर लड़की के लिए इनके पास एक पर्टिकुलर गाना है। चाहे कुछ भी कह लो, अपने पिता का सपना तो कुछ हद तक पूरा कर ही रहा है ये।
आया मेरे बेचैन दिल को करा।
अरे मेरा सबूत आ गया, बैठो बैठो। बहुत दूर से आ रहे होगे ना?
हाँ।
थक गए होगे?
बिल्कुल थक गए हैं।
पानी पियोगे?
हाँ पानी पियेंगे।
बहुत पानी लाओ के लिए।
क्या बात है, आप बड़ी गोरी लग रही हो, लक्स नाइयों का।
मिठाई खाओगे?
हाँ मिठाई खाएंगे, बिल्कुल खाएंगे।
मिठाई लाओ तो देखो कितना सूट का हुआ है, हाथ अगरबत्ती, पैर मोमबत्ती, चेहरा क्या पुतर पुतर कर जाके बैठो। हाँ तो बेटा खाली?
हाँ खा लाई।
कैसी बनी थी?
ये एक नंबर बनाइए कमला ने।
आय हाय। तो बेटा कहाँ गए थे?
हम मौसी मौसी क्या?
के यहाँ
हाँ
गए थे।
मौसी क्या गए थे?
कहाँ गए थे?
अपन भेज रहे पैसा दे रहे हो, पूछ रहे कहाँ गए थे? हैं?
दे दिए पैसा?
हाँ पैसा दे दिए।
अच्छा कहा की मौसी पैसा लेने के बाद?
हम मौसी के पास गए तो हमने जेब से पैसा निकाला तो मौसी गिनी 1 2 3 4 5 6 और फिर पैसों की गुड़ी मुड़ी करके धीरे से अंदर रख दिए। फिर का हम जेब से एक और 10 का नोट निकाले और बोले मौसी इसे भी वहीं रख लो।
पंडित को बताया कि मौसी घर पे नहीं है।
हमारे साथ आई है, हमारे साथ।
अच्छा
वो सोनू है ना, उसाई की दुकान से शक्कर लेने हैं।
अपना बाजू वाला सोनू?
हाँ जी अपने बाजू वाला सोनू।
आवाज लगाओ तने।
मौसी चली गई।
अबे का सम्मान, अपनी मौसी है, खिवाड़ पे जाके आवाज लगा।
मौसी वो अंधेरा होगा ना तो चली गई हुआ है।
चली गई है?
हाँ।
हम बुलाए दे? बिमला, ओ बिमला, लो आ गई मौसी।
प्रणाम मौसी, बहुत सही समय पे आई हूँ।
खुश रहो, जिंदा रहो।
कहाँ है पैसे? बिमला तुम्हें कौन पैसे मिले?
नहीं चिच्चा, हमें तो कौनो पैसे नहीं मिले।
कहाँ है पैसे? पैसे कहाँ है? मक्कार तुम हमारा फिर से पैसा खा गए, तुम्हारी माँ का।
माँ पे मत जाना बाबूजी। क्या कर रहे हैं?
तुम चलो हमारे साथ। तो तो बेटा सूरज जरा राग दरबारी तो गाओ।
झनक झनक तोरे बाज पायलिया, झनक झनक तोरे बाज पायलिया, प्रीत के गीत सुनाए पायलिया, प्रीत के गीत सुनाए पायलिया, झनक 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 तोरी बाज पायलिया, प्रीत के गीत सुनाए पायलिया, झनक 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 तोरी बाज।
वाह वाह बेटा, बहुत अच्छा गाया तुमने, बहुत अच्छे। चलो वैसा करो, अब तुम घर जाओ। हाँ कल मिलते हैं फिर 10 बजे। बेटा मगन, कौन सा ताल है तुझे?
गाना तो गाना होता है, का ताल वाल सुर होना चाहिए।
हम गाओ, सुर में गाओ। गाओ गाओ। जी छोटी मोटी चीज की क्या जरूरत है, तुम इतने महान गायक हो, गाओ।
झनक झनक तोरी बाजे पायलिया, झनक झनक तोरी बाजे पायलिया, प्रीत पायलिया।
गए। तुम्हें लगता है तुम ही बड़ा सुर में गाते हो, हैं? जाना तो कमला, हमारे दादा परदादा राजाओं के दरबार में संगीत बजाया करते थे। आज भी जब कोई उत्सव होता है ना, सबसे पहला न्योता हमारे यहाँ आता है। और एक ही है, पूरे खानदान का इज्जत डुबो दिए हैं। और ऊपर से इनकी हरकतें, बैठे रहते हो डॉक्टरनी के यहाँ, पूरा गांव चिढ़ता है उससे, जानते हो तुम? हमें तो डर लगता है कि हमें गांव से ना निकाल दे। कहाँ जाते हो तुम वहां पे? है
पैसा देती है वो।
पैसा देती, पैसा कमाने ने। कमला हमें बहुत नींद आ रही है, हम जा रहे हैं सोने।
पर बाबूजी खाना तो खा लीजिए।
अरे हमारा सर दर्द कर रहा है, हम सोने जा रहे हैं।
जी
सोने चले, हारमोनियम भी सारा हमको ही रखना पड़ेगा। सुनो कमला
जी,
जे रखो सर दर्द की गोली, बाबूजी को दे देना। सर दुख रहा है ना उनका, डॉक्टर नहीं कहाँ से लाए, ठीक है?
दे दें।
ए कमला, उठो ना।
क्या हो गया?
अरे उठो, हमें नींद नहीं आ रही है।
तो हम क्या करें? जाके सो वहां पे।
अरे चलो ना, थोड़ी बातचीत करते हैं।
सोने दो क्या हमें?
उठो ना।
नहीं,
हम जा रहे हैं।
जाओ।
पक्का?
हाँ।
ठीक है, हम जा रहे हैं। हम वापस नहीं आएंगे, जा रहे हैं। चले, बाय बाय।
ए, गुस्सा हो गए का?
तुमसे गुस्सा हो जाए ऐसा कभी हो?
क्या कर रहे हो? बाबूजी जग जाएंगे।
बाबूजी नहीं जागेंगे।
काहे?
गोली दिए थे ना,
सर दर्द की गोली।
किसने कह दिया? नींद की गोली थी वो।
हाँ, कितने हरामी हो तुम। अपने बाप को भी कौन नींद की गोली देता है?
तो अब क्या करें? दिन भर बाबूजी डले रहते हैं हमारे तुम्हारे बीच में। हम तुम तो कभी बात ही नहीं कर पाते हैं। वैसे तुम्हारी जो चूड़ी बड़ी अच्छी है।
ये चूड़ी हम कब से पहन रहे हैं? तुम्हारा ध्यान भी जाता है कभी हम पर? हम सब जानते हैं। बड़ी सुंदर है ना?
कौन हूँ?
वही तुम्हारी डॉक्टर नहीं।
अरे कहाँ, वो डॉक्टर नहीं तुमसे सुंदर थोड़ी है।
रहने दो, तुम्हारी ये बात है ना हमें बखूबी पता है।
अरे कमला, कहाँ तुम, कहाँ वो डॉक्टर नहीं, कहाँ उसकी जो
उसकी
तुम्हारी जो नसीली नसीली आंखें, गुलाबी गुलाबी होठ, काले काले बाल, पहने पहने नाखून। अरे बिलैया हो तुम तो हमारी।
बच के रहना, नोच देंगे एक दिन।
हाँ तो नोच दो।
हाँ नोच लेंगे।
और पास आओ ना बिमला।
ये कैसे हुआ?
अरे बाबूजी को नींद में बोलने की आदत है।
तुमसे एको काम ढंग से होता है। अब जाके सो वहाँ पे जाओ।
अरे नहीं नहीं, बाबूजी को नींद में बोलने की आदत। तुम्हें विश्वास नहीं हो रहा कि
नहीं हो रहा विश्वास? तुम जाके वहाँ।
देखो देखो, हम बता रहे बाबूजी सोए हैं।
अरे क्या
मारे पैसे, मारे बाबूजी के ऊपर चले बाबूजी के ऊपर चले, बाबूजी के ऊपर नाचे। बंटू का वो का मायने में जो लगा ऊपर मारे।
अरे बाप को भी मार देगा।
बिमला आ गई।
जय मान गामी तो अगर जगह पीती हो लोग तो बाप।
अबे खुद बन के क्या खड़े हो बे? बकोगे कछू?
बहुत ही बुरा सपना आया था बाबूजी, क्या बता। आपको दिल में दौरा, पेट में पथरी और नीचे बवासीर हो गई है। रात में 2 बजे गए डॉक्टर नी के पास, दवाई लेके आए, खा लो।
हाँ, पानी ना।
गलती से सर दर्द की गोली दे दिए थे।
तुम ना बाबूजी सही कहते हैं, बड़की चूती हो तुम।
बहुत ही बुरा सपना आया था बाबूजी, नीचे वाली बढ़ते जा रही है।